Good morning, humans. What it is. I woke up this morning. It's another day, another episode of what we name this episode of Get My Box Truck. I don't know when the title come out. When the title drop, you know. But today I'm going to Navy Federal to pick up another cashier's check. Yeah, so I had the last part of my down payment. I have money all over, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to Navy Federal to pick up a cashier's check. Yeah, man. Hopefully I get to see that truck today. Yo, basta. Yeah. Feel good, man. It's a beautiful day, man. The good Lord woke me up. The Most High woke me up. And so I'm grateful. Because, you know, there's a few people that ain't wake up this morning. So I say we're here for a reason. We have a purpose still on this earth. I have a purpose still on this earth. And one of them, bless this word with a box truck. I'm in the box truck again, y'all. Stop playing with me. Yeah, man. I know it takes it already. Come on, Lando. We have a beautiful day, guys. But I don't even know when you're going to be watching this. Still have a beautiful day. Enjoy the rest of the day, whatever's left of it. Whatever time you're watching this. See, the energy different this morning. You feel me? Oh, man. Bank, Navy Federal Bank. Can't find no parking. I just parked where it says no parking. Actually, will be towed away. But shit, my situation should be quick, actually. So yeah. So yeah, with that, what I mean, Miami's a busy place. Wrong with a little hustling, my man hustling, washed it up. Hey, K-Den, shout out to them. A little hustling. Downtown Miami, man, is hectic. I promise you. They have one Navy Federal. What do you do? Look at this dude. What is he doing? One Navy Federal in the whole South Florida. One Navy Federal. So everybody have to come to this Navy Federal. You gotta come all the way downtown. I don't know if anybody, y'all ever been to downtown Miami, but downtown Miami is hectic, man. It's crazy. And the worst part about it is there's no parking at all. And the bank is so small, like you can only hold a certain amount of people. So what do you have to do? You got to stand up outside. You have to stand up outside. Look at it. It's the bank right here, y'all. I'm in, though. I went in and went out. Look at the line. Look at that. Navy Federal. You have to stand up outside. Yep. But I just picked up the last check, y'all. And, yeah. Trying to go get my truck. What's that? This is why I don't like coming down here. Detour everywhere, road closed. I just had to turn around, just sit in line. Just set the traffic, then I end up turning back around, coming back this way. It's Miami for you, man. It's in Miami for you. But yeah, man, I see how I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna drive till I see 95. How about that? That sounds good to me. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. JW Marriott Hotel. Now, the Navy Federal Bank is about 35 minutes, 40 minutes away from me. But just coming down here, man, it's hectic, man. So it depends on what time you hit 95. Man, you hit 95 the wrong time, that 35 minutes could turn to 3 hours, 2 hours. So I had to come down here early. Well, it's not that early. It's 11:55. Oh yeah, I'm in the Nissan. You know, we ain't in the truck. We ain't riding the truck till special occasion or something. Well, I'm feeling like, yeah, I'm about to run something over. I'm riding this Nissan, man. Look, this truck been filled up since last week, Thursday, I think. Today's Friday. You see that gas? Still good. So we good. But yeah, y'all riding out with me today, man. Y'all riding out with me today. I'm gonna bring y'all down here a little bit. What is this guy doing? Like, bruh, like, what are you doing right now? Like, oh yeah, some of the craziest drivers are in my. Okay, get it in there, Pops. Get it in. I see you over there. Pops getting it in. But one thing, some of the craziest drivers are in Miami, man. I'm telling you. Listen, these people down here drive crazy. Okay. Big old dog. Look, you see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying? I'm just gonna hold this camera on so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Like, it's crazy. Grandma got. Okay. Brakes. All right, we here, y'all. We here. Okay then. Yes. Okay then. 13. Okay. We're gonna clean this up though. We're gonna clean this up. They've been smoking in. Oh, this is a plus right here. Oh, look at God. Okay. Okay then. Yes, sir. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, we about to get rid of that lift gate. Yeah. Okay. Because I know it. If you know, you know. Cummins engine. Big thing nut. Yeah. Allison transmission. You know what I'm saying? We in here though. We in here. Okay. We're gonna make it work. It's still dirty right now, but they're gonna clean it up. Look at the mileage, man. Look at the mileage. Y'all better stop playing. Feels like my first Clean Harbor truck. I don't like that, but I'll work with it. I don't like that shifter. I work with it though. Okay, we good. Okay. But yeah, man.
Excited for you, bro.
I'm excited myself, brother.
Damn, this truck is in great shape, dude. That's incredible. That frame is spotless, dude.
See that?
That is incredible.
The tires, those are brand new right there. Those are brand new. The back was for sure brand new.
Yep. We'll check it. They'll have it serviced.
I feel better now, man. Y'all seen it. The truck is here. You know what I'm saying? Feel good, man. Like 87,000 miles on it. I bought it with 86, but they had to drive it down here, so it's all good. That's pretty much brand new in the truck world. You don't get that. The deal that I got on it is crazy. You don't get that. And I got warranty on it. You know what I'm saying? So, what else? Allison transmission, Cummins engine. You see that? Hey, we ain't playing, boy. We ain't playing. So, yeah, man, I love it. I love it. It's in great condition. Got to change that lift gate, you know. It's in great condition, though, man. Y'all getting the exclusive, man. Ain't none of these box truck YouTubers showing you from the beginning. I'm showing you from the beginning. Hey, I ain't got no beef. I ain't got no beef, box truck guys. Don't come for me. I'm just saying. I started from the beginning. I'm showing y'all the journey. This is the real journey right here. Follow my step. Follow my lead. Ooh, my lip dropped. Yeah, I'm ready though. But yeah, man. Feel good, man. The truck look nice. So once you switch that lift go, it's on and popping. We're gonna hit that roll. Hit that roll. You feel me? Now I'm at church. Got a little meeting here. I get it in though. What's my? There you go, the guy himself.
Four, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my God.